Jules. Ngiqhamuka kwa-Inc. CTO. Uzobuza komunye athi yimi Inc. Inc. It's an organization yakwa-tourism which is Indaba, Luzuma, Wamash. So we're here today with Indaba, with Devon Exhibition Center. So we have a lot of visitors that have come to visit us. We're here to create some good relationships with them. So what I'm here with, I'm with the craftsmen. So what are the crafters doing here? They are showing off umsebenzi wabo wezandla. Njengamanje balapha ngaphandle ematafuleni omama bayathengisa. That's the only way yokuthi thina sibasize to meet them halfway ukuthi babe ne-selling point eyodwa where they are going to try and make money ukuze bakwazi ukuphila ngesimanga sempilo eyenzakala ezweni akekho ongazi. So we want to thank Devon Tourism because Devon Tourism is the one who came up with the idea ukuthi fanele kube khona i-organization ezokwazi ukusondeza yena nabantu emalokishini. So it doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi i-Inc. idila nama-crafters nama-artists kuphela. What it does, wonke umuntu onento a-product ehlangana no-tourism, meaning ushisa nyama okufuka umuntu nama-tourist akhe azodla, or indawo yokulala where umuntu mevakashile osefuna ukulala azolala khona lapho kwakho. It's things like that. Abadansi i-gumboot dance nezinto ezi-culturally sinama-art center kwi-route yethu, and everybody knows ukuthi uMandela when he voted for the first time he came at Inanda. So Inc. ama-offices akhe are based at Uhlange, which is Uhlange esikwazi lonke umlando wayo. If you don't know that one, you need to come uthathe ithoba and then you will learn a lot. You've got everything. We even have Bokoma, we even have Indaba, which is exactly like Umthala Mountain, which I'm positive khona bangayazi, don't come and visit us. Yeah.